it's Claire from Blackpool Teaching Hospitals Trust and University Hospitals Morecambe Bay Rheumatology Physio. It's the third and final chair stretching session between our morning and afternoon sessions. Hope you've been enjoying the conference so far. We're going to start from the top and we're going to work down, and we're just going to do a simple stretch, mainly in sitting, but also a couple in standing routine. Okay, so we're going to just start, first of all, up nice and tall, elongate your torso, starting from the head, and we're going to take it down and round to the left and hold, and back and up, and then same the other way. So take it down, round to the right. You should feel it stretching along those upper trapezius muscles. To the centre and up. I'm going to do that again. Take it down, round to the left, and back to the centre, and the other way. And back to the centre. And then we're going to do a pure cervical rotation. So first we're going to go to the left, and with our hands gently, if you feel comfortable to do so, give it a little bit of overpressure just to add a bit more stretch. And back to the centre, and then to the right. And again, very gentle. Don't do this if you've got any pain or discomfort or paresthesia or dizziness. Once more, stretch, and back to the centre, final one, and back to the centre. Okay, we're going to work on the shoulder blades next, so bring those shoulders up, back and down. Don't worry if there's any crunching, it's perfectly normal. 3, 4, 5. Bring the hands to the side of the head. We're going to stretch the chest by pointing the elbows out and back in. Take a breath in, breathe out, and back in, and again once more. And back. Now I'm going to stretch the arms. Helpful if you've been doing a lot of typing or writing, so we're going to bring the arms forwards and just roll your back. And then up and stretch to the way, turning those forearms round. With the left, bring the hand back, gentle stretch down the front of the forearm anteriorly. And the other side, and then circle the wrists. Bring the arm across your body, and gentle stretch. And behind the head, and gentle stretch, just stretching the triceps around the scapula slightly. Side, and then behind the head and the back. And again, stretch out in front of you. And back to the centre. Next, going to do some trunk rotations. Just really simply Having the arms up in front of you, I'm going to turn to the left and blade with the arm, and back, and to the right, and back. One more, each way. And then back to the centre. Okay, bring yourself a little close to the edge of your seat now. We're going to do some side flexions. So we're just going to bend to the side, stretching and elongating that torso, and back up, and the other way. And back. Breathe out with the stretch. And back, and the other way. And this last one, bring the arm up. Elongate that side of the spine and the torso that little bit further. And the other way. And back. Okay. Moving down to my legs next. I'm going to do a gentle hamstring stretch. So pop one leg out in front of you, toes pointing towards you. You should feel a gentle pull just around the back of your knee and thigh, possibly a little down towards your Achilles. Hands on your bent leg and gently lean forward so you feel the stretch on the back of the thigh, and hold. And then switch legs, bring that one back, other foot out, toes pointing towards you, hands on the opposite leg, and stretch. You should feel that very gently on the back of your thigh and knee. Hold that position. And back. And then just feet out in front of you, do some ups and downs with your ankles. Get your feet moving. And some circles. Okay, to do 2 more stretches in standing and then finish off with a breathing exercise. So we're going to stretch the front of the hips using the chair, put your knee on the chair, step forward, tighten in your tummy muscles, and again elongate your torso, so you're almost sort of tucking your tail under, and then a little lunge, and you should feel it just on the front of your groin, maybe the upper thigh. You can hold that for a few seconds. And then switch it round. And then for an upper back stretch, just going to move the chair and stretch. Breathe out. Come back up. Bring both the arms up and above your head. Breathe in and breathe out. And again, final time. Breathe in, reach up and breathe out again. And that concludes our final stretch session. I feel all warmed up and ready to go for my run now. Unfortunately, we'll all be missing our 5k BSR run, and but hopefully some of you have had a bit of a run over the last 3 days, and we'll see you all hopefully next year in a less virtual capacity. Thanks.